Good morning. Welcome to today's practical session. In this practical, we will learn how to search a particular data from the given array using the string. Means in this practical, we search the string from the array using linear search method. The COs is matched to this practical is apply different searching and sorting methods, and this is the third practical. Before writing the program, let's understand the basic theory of the linear search algorithm. So linear search is the simplest searching technique. In linear search we compare in linear search we compare two string In linear search, we compare the two string one by one to the each and every element. So definition is we compare the searching element one by one with the every element present in the array until the required element is found or array end. For string searching, instead of comparing a number, we compare a string. So the insert string comparison, we compare a two string, and for comparison the string we use strcmp string function. It is available in string.h header file. So now the example is that suppose a teacher want to find the Priya name from given existing student list. So we have a list something like first name is Amit, then Rahul, then Sneha, Priya, and Kiran. So we have a something like this the list of the student, and teacher want to find the Priya name from the given array. So now teacher want to find the name of Priya. So his first step, compare the Amit name with Priya. So it not match. It's not match. So again it's going to the next string. That one is Rahul. So we compare the Rahul with Priya. It's also not match. So it's going to the next. So next is Sneha. So we check the Sneha, means we compare the Sneha with Priya. It's again does not match. So next the string is Priya. Next string is Priya. So we compare the Priya with Priya and it's match. Its match since the name is found at the 1, 2, 3, and fourth position. We found the Priya name is and fourth position. So the search is stopped. For that we use a break. For that we use the break statement. Now let's understand how the program is working for the linear search string. How we can search any string using the linear search. So the first of all we need to write stdio.h header file. This header file is contain the input output function like printf and scanf. Then next header file we need to add here that hash include string.h. So string.h it's used to contain the string handling functions such as strcmp, strcpy, strlen. If we want to find the length of the string, we want to copy any string, something like that function we use. That time we need to declare the string file here, string header file here. The next we write here int main. It's the main function. The program execution start from here. Next we need to declare one character array where user can store their string. For that and string plus the length of the string. For that we write here 10. One array we declare that size is 10 and 20. I will explain after what is the use of that 2D array. And we take one search variable, and the search variable is for store the string that user want to search. Means it store the string that user want to search, and then the str1020 is the meaning of that. The maximum 10 means 10 we declare for the string can be stored, means maximum string we can store in the str array, and the each string can have a 19 character plus one null character. For that we write here 20. If we write 21, then maximum string can up to 20, and then one for the null character. After that we declare another variable. That one is int n comma I comma found equals to 0. So n is for the number of string, I is for loop, and found for the search status. Means when the found value is 1, then that means the string will be searched in the array, and if the found value is 0, that means the string is does not found in the array. After that we write the one message for user that enter the number of string, means how much number of string they want to store in the array. For that we write here enter the number of string. Then we need to store that number of string. For that we use scanf. It's read the value and it's store into the n variable. After that we write another printf to tell, means to ask the user that enter the string, actual string like Priya, Amit, something like that, and we need to store that string into the array. For that we use for loop, and that for loop is start from 0 because the every array is starting index is 0. And I less than n means how much user enter the string, that only they can store into the array. Means if user enter the 5, that means we can store only 5 string into the array. And inside the for loop we use scanf to read the all value coming from the user, means all the string, and it store into the array, and the array name is str. And for the indexing we write here I. After that we write the one message for the user that enter the search string, means asks the user to enter the string which they want to search. After that we write one scanf to read the, here we need to write %s and the search element ch, and last semicolon. Here also we need to write %s, and in the string we don't need the address operator. for, and now we check each and every string and compare with the string with already present in the array. For that we use for loop, and to compare the two string means existing string. Suppose user enter the Priya and Amit, and they want to search the string is Bharti. So it's compare the Bharti with Priya and Amit. For that we use comparison function. That one is a strcmp. strcmp, and that function accept the true string, and if the string is matched then it's return 0, otherwise it's return 1. So the two string is first of all the string that already present in the array, and the next one, and the next one string is search, means user enter that they want to search. If the both are equals then it's return 0, otherwise it's return 1. If the is return 0, that means the string is match. So in that loop we write here, we first of all we change the found value is 1, that is means clearly show the string is found. Then after the program we clearly clarify that the string is already found, so we don't print the message that string is found. After that we print one message, string, sorry, string is found, and after we write here break, means the program is not execute after the element is found. And after that, in case if the string is not found in the list, means in the array, so we write here found equals to 0, means the found value does not update. So we print here the string is not found. Okay, something like this the program. Now we try to run the program. Is in case 17 the comma is missing, line number 17 the comma is missing. Now let's we check the output. Here ask for the enter the number of string, means we want to enter the 5 string, and now I enter the string Priya, Amit, Rahul, Bharti, Pankaj. Now I want to search Rahul. Enter Rahul. It's given us a wrong input. So let me check what is the error here. Here we write that the string is found. Okay, the output is correct. String is found. So now we check if the string is not found. I enter the 3. Now I need to enter the 3 string Priya, Amit, Rahul, and now I need to check the Bharati. So here the message is string is not found. So something like this the program is that